My name is Bryan Yancy. I'm the outside service manager for UNIQ Machinery, and today we're going to talk about the manual controls for the UNIQ controller. Starting with the power on and off switch, located on the machine left side. We've got an off position that you can lock out. You must turn this to the on position to first power up the controller. So this is your startup home screen. This is a screen you should see on your machine if the e-stop is not depressed. If the e-stop is depressed, you'll see an emergency stop screen, in which case you just need to turn, pull, and lift that e-stop to go back to the home screen. Okay, now that we've verified that the e-stop is not depressed, we're going to start at the top left. For manual controls, your top left switch should be in the manual position. When in manual position, the switch will light up. Going to the right of the auto manual position switch, we have the forward and reverse switch. This switch will dictate the direction of the drives from forward to reverse. Your stop feed switch is used in conjunction with the run out limit switch. Your shear up light is a warning light that lets you know that the shear is currently in the up position being the home position for the shear. Whenever the machine is energized with the motor or engine, the shear will return automatically to the up position, and in manual mode, when red, you will know that the shear is in home position. Bottom left is your USB port for importing and exporting files into or out of your UNIQ controller. Jog, run. Jog is used in conjunction with the start feed button to move material forward or reverse in the machine. Run is used solely in conjunction with the run out limit switch. Start feed. This is your drive actuator. If you're in forward and you hit start feed, the material will move forward through the machine. Reverse, start feed, the material will reverse through the machine. Shear down. When the machine is in manual mode and all covers are in place, you will need to depress and hold until the shear hits bottom of stroke. You will hear the shear hit bottom of stroke. You can also visually see your pressure gauge hitting 2000 psi, at which point let go of the shear down button. The shear will return to the up home position. The blue button is your start button. This button, when the e-stop is pulled out, this button will start the motor or the engine on your machine. At the entry left side of your UNIQ machine, you'll find this control panel. On this control panel, we have an emergency stop and a forward and reverse jogging switch. This emergency stop works in conjunction with the emergency stop on your controller. If this button is depressed, your controller will not work. Make sure it's pulled out. When both e-stops are pulled out and your engine or your motor are on, you can use this switch to momentarily jog material forward or reverse out of your machine. For additional information on the UNIQ controls, your manual switches, or any other UNIQ machinery information, please visit our website or our YouTube channel.